In this episode, we've traveled and explored one of the Philippines' most underrated gems. We're diving into the heart of this volcanic paradise. So welcome to the island of Born of Fire, Camiguin.
Guys, first time na ako mag-Camiguin, so this is so exciting. Hopefully dili ra ko mag-breakout sa kuan dito sa ilahang tubig dito. Ay, Europe. Ay, diyan barangan. Ayan, waiting sa cousins ko kasi dito nila ako pipick upin sa entrance ng aking pinagstayhan. So yung route namin is 2 hours from Tagbilaran to Hagna and 2 hours from Hagna to Camiguin.
Kalisod ko. Kuwanda. Usa man ay di ba kada og.
Unang day lang ba? Nakita na mga picture.
So good na kaon. Ano yung mong kalaki or padulong?
Kaya may isa pud ka price kay ikuan. Upsize food.
Lunch guys, lunch.
Hi. Where are we going?
Finally. Ayan. And another 30 pesos for the terminal fee, and we already paid 10 pesos for the municipal fee before entering the port. And kailangan namin lumabas
To verify our ticket. It needs to be verified kasi online na namin binili. So guys, it's better na mag-look at na lang mong ticket here sa rather than getting online. Guys. Kailangan pa ka money dali.
So our thinking is for kuan naman unta.
I thought it is convenient, yeah.
But sadly, it's not. And it's so hot. So, super welcome to the Philippines. That online is not now the most convenient access.
We have areas here that you can take or buy delicacies. The terminal of Hagna, it's not that big as Tagbilaran City, of course.
Clean.
But it's clean and it's cold, in fairness. Ayan. This is it, and we're here.
You know where I go. You know where I go. Again. 1, 2, 3. You know where I go.
So, 2:30 ang biyahe, and we will arrive there around 6:30. In fairness, limpyo ang ilahang CR and naalang ko gikamutan no diri nga part kaning ubos nga picture. If nga na ka magbiday, comment down below. Finally, we're boarding. And boarding na kami. And iwan nyo lang yung bags nyo here, down here, and then packet kami. Look at that, ang cute ng mga chairs nila. And we're finally here with our seating arrangements. Finally, we're here.
Hi.
Wala na katingog. Ang motorela sa Camiguin kay ngani. Pero ako naibalan ng motorela. Buhay kay cellphone. Oh.
Motorola.
So, ingani ang amo ang baggage sa app. Kuya, how much?
Together, 400.
Together.
Together again.
Okay, 400 pesos.
Bagit doon. Libre bagit na doon. Libre na bagit.
Ulo, grabe si Kuya. Uy, 400 apil baggage na na, uy.
Kini, 15.
Uy!
Ingon ni sila
400 all in na oy, all in 400.
5.
Ala, kaya kagibasi manimo sa kagwapa.
Alright guys, we're here na.
Kung number mo, ganahan mo papakuha niya, mamrangapon.
Si Kuya kay gusto niya talaga kaming mag-QC. So, 400 daw ang plate eh. Let me know guys kung mahal ra. Comment down below. Baby girls na. Duka plus gutom. Plus nabasa pag-uwan.
Puro piso.
So, nag-Jollibee na lang ni guys kay...
Kaya wala yung sa buhol.
Why Jollibee sa Bohol? Siya, nag-Jollibee na lang kay kusog kay ulan na kilat-kilat ang lupa. With Kuya Driver. Nagdala ng lata.
Travel adventures. Yeah.
Pak naman ka, uy. Anyways, guys, let us explore the ruins at Bonbon Camiguin. Okay, let's go!
So, nasira siya dahil sa volcanic eruption noong 1623. So, yung dito, sa makikita nyo dito na park area, yung sa ilalim niyan, actually, dyan yung mga tables, lahat ng mga kagamitan na ginagamit sa church, andyan na dyan sa ilalim. Kaya, grabe yung nangyari din talaga dito. Ano kalawak yung church talaga. So, ayan.
So,
The boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums.
and this is the main church.
401 years na.
It's already 401 years. Wow.
So, bali yung entrance is doon. Yung sa, kung saan ka magpe-pray, yung mga may candle. Ayun doon.
The break of day, whispering pines, secrets and
Ito yung labas niya. Ito actually usually yung mga maraming nagpapapicture dito sa doors na to. Tapos paglabas mo dito,
Ito na yung makikita mo yung camel tree, tsaka yung convent. Ayan.
moonlight spills.
dito yung convent nila. Ayan. Ito yon. Ayan. Diba? Tapos dito talaga yung church na church talaga nila.
Etching patterns, leaving its mark.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, smile!
Ito yung camel tree nila na it's already 100 years old.
Pwede naman na ako ang goal. Ready, 1, 2, 3, smile!
Ayan. Grabe. Ang dami mo matutunan dito. And that's it. This time we're going to visit Sunken Cemetery. Let's go! First, of course, nakita niyo dito yung a lot of souvenirs. Same price, I think, sa Bohol, mga souvenirs nila. Same price lang na. Muna ni Awentaryo. This is called Sunken because nisunk na ang mga patay na gilubong dire. Okay?
one more. Nakasilpi mo na?
Ayan guys, kakarating lang namin sa malakompetisyong rides. So, finally nakahanap na kami ng food hub. So, we're here at Tapsi Corner. So, hindi kami nakakain ng breakfast dahil sa 8 AM na kami nakalabas ng inn. And this is so great kasi coffee shop yung tabi. So, you know naman guys, after natin kumain, always coffee. Ayan. Mga babaeng laging gutom. So, ito yung meals nila. Yeah. It's windy there. Chosilog daw sa kanya. Chosi mo kasi. So this is going to be our brunch already. Spanish latte. So this ends our day 1 and there's so much more to explore, from chasing the waterfalls and soaking in hot springs, experiencing beautiful beaches. Whether you're here for the adventure or serenity, Camigan's got a story waiting for you. Say hi again! Sand in the middle of the ocean, ganun effect. 2, 3, go!